let's do part D. They tell us f when x equals 1 equals 3. They want an expression for f of x. So f of x, I'm going to get it from the integral of f prime. So f of x equals f of 1 plus the integral from 1 to whatever x value I want to get to, f prime of d dt. That's the fundamental theorem of calculus. I know what f of 1 is, so I can write this as 3 plus the integral from 1 to x, f prime of t dt. That's what they're looking for, okay? I look over at the solution, that they give you 1 point for writing that, okay? So then f of 4, it's 3 plus the integral from 1 to 4, because now x is 4, 1 to 4, f prime of d dt, okay? So that is the area between the curve and the x-axis, okay? So they told me up here, it's that, okay? Now guys, be careful. It's below the curve. It's below the x-axis, so it's negative. So this is 3 plus negative 12. Because that area is underneath the curve, I add them together, negative 9. That's another point, okay? So now, f of negative 2, it's going to be 3 plus the integral from 1 to negative 2, f prime of t dt, okay? For those that don't like to go, like, this number's to the right of that number. So I can flip them. And when I flip them, if you remember, when I flip the integrand, the sign changes, okay? I flip the limit. So instead of 1 to negative 2, it's negative 2 to 1, so that becomes negative. So guys, this is the area under the curve from negative 2 to 1. Negative 2 to 1, it's this area. And again, it's below the curve, so it's negative. So it's just going to be 3 minus a negative 9. That's going to be 12. That's the second point. Third point. So guys, that's the 9 points for this problem, okay? So part A, they ask you where the maximum happens. You just have to tell them it's where the graph of f prime goes from positive to negative, and you can see it, right there on the curve. B is asking for where you're decreasing and concave down. You're decreasing where the f prime is negative. It's negative here and here. You're concave down when the slope, when f double prime is 0, but that's the slope of f prime. So where's the slope of f prime? It's here and here, so that's the answer to that. Points of inflection where f double prime changes sign, or where the slope of f prime changes sign, and that happens at negative 1, 1, negative 1, 1, and 3. The slope changes. So that's it.